Hi guys, here we are. It's Papa and Lou at the gun show. We're gonna check out some guns, see what they have today. All right, so here we go, checking things out. What do you think, Lou? What do you think you want?
This side, but how come only this side?
You can edit that out. All right, Lou, here we go. Checking them out. Got a lot of guns here today at the gun show. A lot of guns to look at. Wow. Got revolvers, all kinds of stuff. Bunch of good toys. Lou can go out, do some target shooting. All right. Okay. What else do they have here at the gun show? Oh, they got little compact pistols. Wow, compact pistols here. 380 and 9mm. A lot of guns here at the gun show. All right. Whew. All right. Checking them out again. Going down the other section. Gonna check out some different rifles that they have. Let's see what they have, Lou. Wow, lots of rifles here. Got some hunting rifles, some lever action rifles. Boy, Lou, which one would you want to play with? All kinds of stuff here today. All right. Yeah, there's lots of guns everywhere over here. Cool. All right, Lou, look what they have here. They have an Israeli shotgun. Those are cool. Looks like it's from outer space or something. And they got some other ones going on over here. Wow.